Hey, yo, uncle, how the fuck am I gonna sleep here? You tell me, cause you said like I'm gonna come here at home and then I'm gonna sleep like I'm in a hotel. Is this a hotel? Because I see a small shack. This is a red house. How am I gonna sleep here, uncle? Nah, bro, I can't sleep here. I can't sleep here, man. Damn, uncle, how am I gonna sleep in a red house? Have you seen this? This is not even a storeroom. This is like a red house. It's completely off broke now. How the fuck am I gonna sleep here? Nah, uncle, just send me money. Just send me money so I could buy a flight ticket. Let me go back to the US once. Cause like I can't sleep here. Oh man. Next month. When is next month gonna hit? Alright, cool.